Hey guys, so I just watched a political session that just happened recently in the parliament. It's about Honorable Minister Suresh Gopi against the opposition. It's about a movie called Empuran. Now, Empuran has been a ongoing controversy for the past whole week. I would say more than that, but yeah, it has been very loud. They have been making a lot of noise, okay, and people have been claiming that this thing is depicting violence of Gujarat. I've seen the movie myself, and from what I can understand and from what I know personally, as in from reading the old news and old information regarding the crimes that have been done during the riot, the things he mentioned in the movie is mild. Okay, as shameful as it is to remember the events that happened back then, it is still somewhat mild on how the director has presented it in the movie. Now, I would like to ask Honorable Minister Suresh Gopi, why would he outright try to cover up the mistakes of his political party so openly and by tallying it with other people's mistakes when all you could have done is accept the crimes that had happened and just move on and, like, try to make the country better instead of trying to cover up your mistakes. Now, I say it like this, but when I think about it, all they have is mistakes, and they just keep on trying to cover it, cover it, cover it, cover it. They have done the same thing in August 15th. They released 11 people. Why? Trying to cover it up, trying to free them, trying to do a lot of different things. They have changed governments, they have led a riot that has been going in Manipur for the past 6 months. It has still not been fixed. It's been going. A thing that can be fixed within a week because India is such a big nation. It has that much power. It has that much power. Like, you cannot keep on telling us that we are a terrible country or whatever. We're a poor country. Nothing like that. I'm not demeaning any other nation either. I'm just saying that any government would be able to solve a riot within a week at the least. That situation, okay, maybe a month, give or take, but that situation has been going on for the past half a year, maybe more than that. I don't know how long it's been going. All our government has ever done is silence the people of Manipur by preventing them from having internet. It's i find it i find it nonsense when they bring up a movie in the situation and they try to outright boycott a presentation of creativity by someone, and is claim that it is defaming them so shamelessly in front of a public parliament. It's just disappointing, Honorable Minister. I just hope that you are better than the rest of the people who were in your party. Now, I really hope that the situation gets better and that people would try, or your party in a sense would get some brains and try to prevent whatever rot that is happening to this nation and try to bring out a better situation between the people of India. Try to unite the people of India instead of dividing them even further than it already is. You could have spoke about a lot of different issues as a minister of gas and gas of state and nation itself. It's just disappointing, I would say. You are completely unrelated to the job that's been given to you as a minister at the parliament. Talking about arts and movies, that is saying somewhat true. Okay, I'm not saying somewhat true because, like, as I said, it's a work of fiction in the first place, and the second part is that the events that are shown in that movie, if the place isn't right, it doesn't matter. But, like, the event that happened, the rape, the beatings, the killings, it's all true. There's nothing to hide there. That happened. That event happened. So there's no point in trying to cover up the mistakes of your party when you could have done so much better, when you could have shown a lot of different aspects of your party. I just don't understand. Like, you guys are not, like, this nation is definitely going backwards at this point, and I am very disappointed in a sense. Even if I try, it's not working out. It's just saddening because a lot of people are just mindlessly going at each other due to the stupidity, due to the very confirmed separations between the leaderships of this country. And we could have seen that, we could outright see that in the parliament today, and it was very disappointing. I am very sad. And I just hope that the situation turns out to be better. And I hope that people of India are free again to present their creativity as they want. And I just hope that it turns out to be better, and people can present themselves openly, freely, just like how we used to be, and diversely as how we used to be in the old India. Just don't forget that we're Indians. We're not one-sided parties. We're not based off a religion. We're based off multiple cultural aspects. We're based off multilingual people. We are very diverse. And I really hope we go in that same path. Instead of traveling backwards, we move forward with a lot of different thoughts and betterments of this nation. Thank you.